We are pleased to show you the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.